The German Meteorological Service in Leipzig has issued a tornado warning for Leipzig district in northwestern Saxony, southeastern Nordsachsen district in northwestern Saxony, until 16:30 Central European Time. At 15:45 Central European Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Wurzen, or about 9.6 kilometers west of Lausital, moving east at 45 kilometers per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Wurzen around 1600 hours, Dahlen around 1622. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now.